Hi, to factory reset your QCY T1C earbuds. As a first step, make sure that they are connected to the phone via Bluetooth for now. For that, go in the phone settings, choose Bluetooth, and here make sure that you could see the name of your device in this paired device list. Now to connect them, we'll need to take them out of the charging case and they would be automatically reconnected with the phone. And yep, here it is. So, after that, to factory reset those earbuds, we'll need to find and open this QCY app. And also make sure that the earbuds are connected to the app as well. And after that, go in the settings. From here, choose more settings. And now you can see this option reset to default, which is factory reset. So, we need this if you wanna connect your earbuds to a new device, if you wanna reset everything back to their defaults, reset equalizer settings, for example, and so on. So to perform factory reset, we will need to tap on this option, and here you'll see this pop-up window, do you reset factory, reset button functions, and equalizer to default. So tap the OK. And after that, your earbuds will be reset to their default. You will need to reconnect them again with the app. So I suggest you to go back in the settings, select Bluetooth, here unpair your device, and after that, pair it with your phone again. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.